What's going on, guys? Today we are doing a video on the Bounty Hunter Gold Digger. I'm going to tell you guys, really, there's only a few ins and outs to this machine and kind of help you decide whether or not you should buy this machine for yourself or a loved one. This is a super cheap and super easy machine to play with. This is actually my very first metal detector ever. I have found so many coins and so many things with this metal detector. To turn this bad boy on, you go over here to the power level and turn it on, and it's gonna make a boom or a clicking sound whenever you do this. The power level is a knob that goes from 0 to hero. On the right here, we have Trash Eliminator, which is a nice feature of this thingy. It really helps you get rid of not so much trash like cans or stuff like that, but it will kind of eliminate some of those like sparklers that people use on the beach or thinner metals like that. It sometimes will get rid of pull tabs, but it really depends on how thin the metal is. And whenever it eliminates, sometimes it doesn't always completely eliminate the signal. It ends up being some type of click. But once you learn how to use this machine, it's really easy to learn how this trash eliminator works. When I'm on the beach here in Korea to get rid of the sparklers and stuff on the beach, I normally keep it at about halfway, because if you go too high, you start to miss stuff. You have a sensitivity meter here, and it targets, like whenever targets are deeper, the sensitivity meter kind of just doesn't move so much. When a target is large, or whenever the target is very close to the top of the sand, the top of the ground, the thing will fly. The thing's gonna fling, and you guys will see that in a minute whenever I do some tests over there. The thing is ultra light. It's really nice. I've got some like little army tape here to keep it comfortable and to keep my grip, but it is super light, and it can be set up, extended out for kids to use, and this little notch system, you can send it out all the way to the top for adults to use. It has kind of like its own cover. The coil is inside of there, and it's waterproof. I put in water many times and nothing has ever gone wrong, and it's sweet. I don't know if this is like a monocoil or if it is a like a concentric coil. I have no idea. I've never actually looked inside. I'm sorry this thing is tore up, but this thing also runs on 2 9-volt batteries. So nowadays, metal detectors are running on AA batteries. This is actually run on 9 volts. This machine is a 2-tone machine. If you have the trash eliminator all the way off, it will give you the same tone for every signal, no matter what. Solid penny, large cent, bottle cap. But the second you turn the trash eliminator on, it gives you a second tone, a second medium tone, to kind of use to distinguish between targets. Again, here's the large cent. Same high tone again. Come over here to the bottle cap. Low tone. This is a large cent. Hear that? This is a silver quarter. This is a silver $50. This is gold. This is a silver dime. We can keep going. Shield nickel. Oh, there you go. You guys hear that? That lower tone. So it does have a lower tone. High tone, low tone, and the penny. Let's turn the trash eliminator all the way down and let you guys listen to it. You guys hear the difference? That's the trash eliminator off. This is with it on to the max. So you kind of have some nice options here. Try to get trash out, try to get caps out. You have some type of double tone discrimination, I guess. We'll do the same thing here with a soju cap, which is like a cap of a bottle. We have a nice tone there. We'll come down here, turn the elimination. Trash eliminator on. There you go. And it's grunty. Word! That is really it for this thing. There is obviously no pinpointing on here. There is no TID, nothing that's going to tell you exactly what target you're using, what target you're picking up. but it has two tones. It has a medium tone or a low tone and a high tone. There is some trash elimination in there, so you guys can go through the beach, go through wherever you're finding your stuff at, and spend less time digging up trash, although you should always dig everything up and throw it away, and more time digging up sweet stuff. This metal detector, I will say it a million times, is a great beginner's metal detector, especially for the price. It's like $60. Oliver actually used this metal detector to find enough money to help pay for his Ace 200 over there. This is a wonderful metal detector for you, for your kids, and for your family for at a very great price. It's nothing special, it's nothing advanced, and it's basic, but it's perfect. It's perfectly basic. If you guys are looking to get this metal detector, I've got an Amazon affiliates link in the description below. If you guys know any secrets about this machine that I didn't talk about today, let me know, and I will see you next time.